Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about human rights in the workplace. First, let's define human rights. Human rights are inherent to all human beings, no matter your race, gender, origin, etc. Let's start by explaining the two different kinds of human rights, specifically when it comes to labor law. There are specific and non-specific human rights. Specific human rights are directly connected to the employment relationship. For instance, a big one, contained in Article 35 of the Spanish Constitution, is the right to work. Some examples of specific human rights are a right to receive payment, strike, periods of rest, unionization, and collective bargaining. Non-specific human rights are not directly connected to the employment relationship. These include new forms and underlying parts of human rights: the freedom of expression, privacy, thought and speech, and the right to demonstration. Particularly the freedom of privacy, impacted by the technological revolution and the development of personal data, isn't specifically tied to the employment relationship and is not protected by the right to work. Does your workplace have the right to lock and monitor your computer? What was that?
Oh, sorry. It's my computer for my work. There are many securities.
However, human rights are not unlimited. In some cases, protecting the rights of one group may justify certain limitations on another group's human rights. Therefore, new human rights laws can be challenged if their objectives do not sufficiently warrant a limitation on another group. The challenged law is subject to a proportionality test to balance the objectives against the nature of the right, the extent of its infringement, and the degree to which the limitation furthers other rights or policies of importance. In short, the law must have a legitimate objective, be adequate, necessary, and have proportional effects on targeted. To combat disproportionate and unfair treatment of certain groups, there is discriminational law, which tries to guarantee the same opportunities for everybody. Two people in the same position have the right to receive the same treatment. EU laws prohibit decisions made based on gender, religion, disability, age, sexual orientation, racial or ethnic origin. So human rights are protected under the law, but that doesn't mean that there are blurred lines when it comes to limitations or discriminatory behavior. Human rights violations are hard to monitor without active reporting. Thanks for listening.